Hey folks, Angry Bus 27 here. Just thought I'd take an evening stroll in the suburbs. Right now I'm in Jersey and it's a pretty cloudy night. Tonight, more recently, there have been a lot of things going on and it's crazy. And I'll explain first, but right now Oh, really? What the hell is that? Really? A train ended up getting into my video? Come on! That was so not expected. Anyway, let's start with one thing that I really wanted to talk about. This incident that occurred in Jacksonville, Florida, where a plane ended up landing in the St. Johns River, I think it was. Thankfully, nobody got hurt, but some pets died, which was pretty sad still. And of course, the voice of Winnie the Pooh ended up being accused of sexual assault, and it's shocking. It is. I don't want to get into too much full detail because it's shocking and all that, but really? What the hell? Why am I getting interrupted by trains lately? And it's fucking loud. I guarantee you, it's fucking loud. Finally back in the city. Just got off the train, and let me tell you, I would not want to live in Collingswood, New Jersey, because of how noisy it is. Crazy shit going on.
Darling, I can't get enough of your love, babe.
What a long day today. Yesterday was a long trip home, and today, today it was raining out, and the Broad Street Run, which I didn't go to because of the rain, was unbelievably crowded. That's what I heard. And of course, next Friday is going to be a good one. Not. Come on, Angry Buster 27. Just trying to make the best of it. I'll try, Sad Clown Doll. I'll try. Well, that's good, Angry Buster 27. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching Angry Buster 27. Don't forget to check out our Facebook page, which is the link in the description below. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out all of our other videos on this channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Hey, I forgot to mention, don't forget to check us out on Twitter. The link is in the description below as well.